मेरे जुनून का नतीजा जरूर निकलेगा, मेरे जुनून का नतीजा जरूर निकलेगा, इसी स्याह समंदर से नूर निकलेगा। Respected audience, Assalamu alaikum. I am Tayyiba Aleem. Today the topic I'll enlighten here is great things never comes from the comfort zone. Yes, the comfort zone is a psychological state in which one feels familiar, at ease, secure and safe. If you always do what is easy and choose the path of least resistance, you will never step outside of your comfort zone. Well, what is stepping out of the comfort zone? According to me, it's compromising. Yes, it is a compromise for something better. A compromise for something new. A compromise to understand more about yourself. A compromise to know what you're actually capable of. A compromise to know your limits. A compromise to know what if you can. A compromise to know who you can become. I couldn't let my life go just by watching others win. I couldn't let my life go just by watching others win, so I held my breath, I stepped outside and let the change begin. Respected audience, I want you to witness the life example of stepping out of the comfort zone to achieve greater things. And the example is myself and all the other participants who came here to speak just like me. It's always hard to speak in front of someone whom you never knew, who's the most respected and especially who's seated in front of you to judge you. But today, we all stepped out of our houses to come and try. We are here exploring our limits, surrounded by the people we never knew. Yes, today, I stepped out of my comfort zone and consumed the greater confidence that I never had. For me, it's a great thing and I'm very grateful to go beyond my comfort zone. If you are in a comfort zone, afraid to venture out, remember that all the winners were at one time filled with doubt. Don't be afraid of the change. Instead, be excited of the greater possibilities ahead. And last, I'll end my speech with this stanza. मुझे ऊंचाइयों में देखकर हैरान हैं लोग, मुझे ऊंचाइयों में देखकर हैरान हैं लोग, लेकिन किसी ने मेरे पैर के छाले नहीं देखे. Thank you.
Myself, Magan Das. I am in the first year class. Today I am so grateful of the JAMS organization that has given me chance to boost up my confidence in front of you all. Today I am going to talk about the topic that has been given to all of us. Leaders are those who empower others. Leader. What does it mean by the true leader? What does it mean by a perfect leader? Is it to be great to be handsome one? Or is it necessary to be the fashionable? Or is it necessary to be luxurious? No, definitely not. Leaders are not those who are handsome. Leaders are not those who are winning with the lots of luxuries. Yes, we have great examples of leadership. We have great examples of those leaders who has generated, who has encouraged thousands of the pupils worldwide and has achieved great reputation among the people. Yes, how can we forget the Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him? How can we forget the Shri Krishna? How can we forget the Abraham Lincoln? How can we forget the great and Quaid-e-Azam? How can we forget the Barack Obama and many more leaders that has ruled of their countries and great a lot of prosperity? Yes, what does it mean by others? A leader is one who empower others. A leader is one who encourage others. A leader is one who motivate others, who inspire others. A leader is one who knows the way, shows the way and cross the way. Yes, Miss President leadership is not all about growing yourself. Leadership is not all about growing your luxurious fame. Yes, leadership is not all about that. Before you are a leader, it's all about growing your success. But after becoming a leader, it's all about growing other people's life. And that's why we have been chosen for a great named a leader. Do you know what does it mean by a leader? If you go through the deep of this word, a leader is the second name of the God. Yes, a leader is the second name of the hope and prosperity. A leader must encourage other peoples. A leader must motivate others. The most and best quality of a leader should have integrity, peace, and yes, compassion for other peoples. He must love his nation. He must always work for the prosperity of this nation, and that's what does it mean by nation. And the great quote said by Bill Gates that in the coming days, leaders are only gonna be those who has ability to empower others. Why does it look like we are not a leader? We don't have leadership because we have not chosen the right meaning for the leader. What does it mean by the leadership? We have not right taken as that. The word leadership really means to encourage others. The leadership really means to care for others, not to care for them. And I just love to say a line that I'm not a handsome guy, but I can give my hand to someone and can delight his life, can delight his future, and that's all about leadership. Leadership all about growing others people. Leadership is all about bring happiness in other people's life. That's all about leadership. And in the last, I just want to say one quotation that was said by Quaid-e-Azam. It's not necessarily how the leaders take the decisions, but if you don't think so much, think thousands of times before taking a decision. But once it's taken, just give your 100%. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Isha Abbasi and today's my topic is great things never come from comfort zone. If you want to achieve great things, then you have to go beyond your comfort zone. You won't get anywhere by doing what you are used to. You need to go beyond what you think you can do in order to see your full potential. We achieve our goals by stretching our capabilities and skills in ways we have never imagined. When you were a kid, your parents always forced you to try new things, right? Some of these you probably don't want to do. And in the end, either you succeeded or failed, but you were growing the entire time. We don't always like to try new things because we fear failure, but the reality is, failure isn't the end of the road. It's the beginning. Either you succeed and you grow, or you fail and you grow, but trying something is always better than doing nothing. I was an anxious girl and never went to parties or never talked to people. That sometimes came out as arrogant, but reality being I was in constant fear of judgment. What will people think? What will people say? Or what if I say the wrong thing? This was until I realized that everyone felt the same way. Interacting in situation with people you usually wouldn't interact with is a great way to get out of your comfort zone and be more confident. Go compliment someone you don't know. What's the worst that can happen? It's as simple as when you try new activities and experiences, things you have never done before. You automatically start growing out of your box, and confidence is just a byproduct of it. Progress only happens when you try something different. The moment you decide to do something great, you also have to face a fact that you will be bumped out of your comfort zone, because that is the only way you can do it. Don't be afraid of the change. Instead, be excited of the great possibilities ahead. Thank you.